Let's discuss personal finance and how to manage it best. Personal finance is one of the most important aspects of life. Yet many people struggle with managing their finances. Personal finance can be daunting, whether it's due to a lack of understanding or simply not having enough money. From budgeting and saving to investing and debt management, individuals face numerous challenges when it comes to managing their money. Conversations about personal finance can potentially transform your life as you know it. Welcome back to Financial Flipside, your one-stop place for all your financial information and tips. We assist you with personal finance and provide you with all the knowledge regarding financial literacy. To remain up to date and access related videos and content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. What is personal finance? It is the process of managing your money to achieve your financial goals. It involves budgeting, saving, investing, insurance, debt management, and retirement planning. Personal finance is all about making the most of your money and ensuring that you can afford the things that matter most to you. In this video, I'll be giving you the top 10 personal finance tips that can revolutionize how you manage your finances. These 10 lessons include the following. Number 1, monitor your financial information. Number 2, refrain from buying unnecessary items. Number 3, high income isn't everything. Number 4, diversifying your income. Number 5, invest in yourself. Number 6, embrace every opportunity that comes your way. Number 7, consider moving in with your parents. Number 8, reduce information flow. Number 9, reading one personal finance book a year. And number 10, recognize your progress. Let us discuss each lesson deeply. As a starting point, you need to monitor your financial information. You don't have to be exact with your finances, but if you want to get closer to your financial goals, you'll need to start monitoring them. Keeping track of where you stand financially will help you reach your targets. A great way to tackle your debt or something you need to pay is by organizing all loan information into a spreadsheet. This includes every loan's total amount, monthly payments, and interest rates. This will give you an overview of your debt situation and what steps must be taken next. You don't have to lose hope when it feels like progress has stagnated. All you need to do is open your spreadsheet, sign in, and clear off each of your loans one by one. Visualizing this process can help motivate you to stay on track and pay it off quickly. This visualization exercise can be really helpful to keep you motivated and help you reach your end goal. The second lesson is to refrain from buying unnecessary items. By avoiding these purchases, you help yourself save both time and money. This is a gentle reminder not to waste hard-earned money on unnecessary things. Put that money into savings instead, and notice the difference it can make months later. Likely, the purchase didn't satisfy all your expectations, so think twice before spending too much. Are you content with your current life situation? What if you worked on reducing some of your financial burdens by being patient and persistent in tackling them? It could be a significant boost, leading to greater happiness. A little effort and perseverance can go a long way toward achieving fiscal goals. Lesson number 3 is that high income isn't everything. There comes a time when the amount of money you make no longer matters. Taking care of your basic financial needs and building up some savings is important. So, a high income is really needed. That's a fact. However, beyond that, you won't get ahead financially without working on cutting back your expenses and monitoring the amount you spend. This is called lifestyle creep, which can be prevented by making informed financial decisions. This phenomenon affects many individuals. Lifestyle creep is an issue that many people face, where their discretionary spending increases as their income goes up. Instead of using the extra money to pay off debt, they spend it on material things. For example, if you receive a $5,000 pay raise, you may find yourself thinking about all the things you can buy with it. instead of paying down any debt. You must set aside a certain amount of your income to ensure a successful financial future. A good starting point is 20%, which should be followed by all raised amounts of money too. An alternative approach would be to imagine you never had the pay raise and instead put the extra money toward paying off debts or saving it up for future use. Following the fourth lesson, diversifying your income is essential. Having multiple income streams can help protect you from unexpected financial uncertainties and bring stability in the long run. Whether you want to be your own boss or make extra money, now's the perfect time to start a freelancing business or side hustle. When it comes to saving money, there are only finite options that you can explore. However, freelancing and consulting offer vast potential for enhancing your income quickly. The beauty of these is that there's no limit to how much money you can make. A side hustle is an additional job or activity that can help bring in extra money aside from your primary source of income. It's a great way to boost your income and create financial freedom. Are you interested in one? You can watch one of our videos regarding 10 genuine methods to make money online and the guide to boosting your earnings and passive income. Enjoying this video? Like and share it, and consider subscribing for more financial knowledge. Subscribe to stay up to date on the latest finance trends. Then let's get back to what we were discussing. Take time to invest in yourself for personal and professional growth. This is the fifth step in this journey. Although it might seem counterintuitive, investing money to make money is a sensible way to grow your business. Unless it's one of those Facebook friends trying to sell you essential oils. In that case, use your better judgment and run the other way. Many books, courses, and online tools are available to help you improve in any field. These resources are at your fingertips and can provide the necessary know-how to reach your goals. You can easily maximize your value and make yourself more attractive to employers or clients by expanding your skill set and honing in on new talents. For someone who is a filmmaker, one of the best investments you can make is purchasing good quality headphones. You've just earned your first $100 as a filmmaker. Why not reinvest this into improving the quality of your videos? It's not about gaining a return on investment, but investing in yourself by creating stunning videos with high production values. Investing in education tools and resources can be highly beneficial in the long run, providing returns far greater than your initial outlay. Embrace every opportunity that comes your way. This is the core concept of Lesson 6. Saying yes to whatever lies before you can be a great way to experience something new and broaden your horizons. Understandably, as your career or business progresses, you may be more selective about the projects you take on. However, if you're just starting, don't be too demanding with the opportunities that come your way. Every job is an opportunity to learn and develop yourself. If you have extra cash to spare, why not use it to reduce your debt or save it in the bank? Unless you genuinely enjoy doing that, you don't have to continue making promo videos of people getting their hands massaged. Lesson 7. Consider moving in with your parents. Even if you're already over 30, living with your parents or roommates can be a wise financial decision to help you save on your expenses, particularly rent. This is the best way to start working toward alleviating the debt burden. It has been observed that since the 1960s, the percentage of adults living at home has been on an upward trend. This number peaked at 52% in 2020, which is a strong indication of our current times. Times are tough. The cost of living is high, and student loan debt escalates. It's an unfair situation, but we can't just sit back and blame others. We need to take charge and work hard to better our lives. Taking advantage of having your parents around can help you make significant progress toward paying off debt or saving up. This could be an immense benefit if you are looking to manage any financial obligations. Lesson 8. Reduce information flow. It's easy to overlook that you can unfollow someone on Instagram. We're all guilty of consuming media that isn't in our best interests. Sadly, Many of us are too heavily influenced by the culture around us when making decisions. We can make positive changes by removing the negative influences that bring us down. Replacing them with encouraging and supportive people will help create an environment that promotes self-worth and enables us to strive for what we want. Lesson 9. Incorporate the habit of reading one personal finance book a year. This can be an effective way to educate yourself on money management matters. This isn't just about learning something new. It's really about taking the initiative and following your dreams. If those around you struggle financially with flashy cars and lifestyles, it won't inspire you to think responsibly and show restraint in your finances. Reading the stories of people who have created financial success can keep you inspired and on track toward your goals. Finally, recognize your progress. Achieving financial freedom doesn't mean you must give up on your luxuries and relocate to a faraway cave. Although, with the way things are going, that's not entirely a bad option. It's important to find ways to take breaks and celebrate your journey as you keep striving toward your goals. Setting goals and rewards for staying motivated is essential as you progress toward becoming debt-free. Treat yourself to small luxuries now and then. A nice bottle of wine, a new pair of headphones, or even replacing your broken laptop. When you reward yourself for the little wins in your life, it serves as motivation to keep pushing forward. Achieving financial freedom is no quick fix. It requires determination and hard work. However, the effort you put into it will pay off tremendously in the end. Think about what it would feel like to never worry about funds again and be able to leave your uninspiring job. Imagine yourself looking at the left side of the menu first. Wouldn't that be an incredible feeling? Thank you for taking the time to watch. Show your support by liking and sharing this video. To stay informed on key financial topics, subscribe to Financial Flipside and switch on notifications so you'll know when new videos go up.